In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the integration between Zoho CRM and Business Card Reader. We'll keep it simple and get you from App Store to scanning in just a couple of minutes. Start on your mobile phone by opening the app marketplace you normally use, either the Play Store on Android or the App Store on iPhone. Having a stable internet connection helps the download go smoothly, so make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or a strong mobile signal before you begin. Next, use the search bar and type Card Scanner. Business cards. You're looking for the dedicated card scanner that works hand in hand with Zoho CRM. If you want to double check you found the right one, read the short description on its store page. It should highlight that it quickly recognizes details from a single snapshot, including names, job titles, company names, email addresses, and phone numbers. That's exactly what you need to turn stacks of paper cards into clean, structured CRM data without manual typing. Now, tap Install. Once the app finishes downloading, you're ready to put it to work. In practice, that's all it takes to establish the connection point between your physical business cards and Zoho CRM. When you open the app and scan a card, it automatically detects the key details and places them into the appropriate contact fields: name, title, company, email, and phone number, so you can review and save in just a few taps. It's a fast, reliable way to keep your records consistent and current. For the best results, place the card on a flat, well-lit surface, avoid glare, and hold your phone steady. If the card is glossy or the text is very small, a slight angle and a quick tap to focus can help the app capture crisp characters. After each scan, take a moment to check the recognized fields before saving, especially if the card uses stylized fonts or unconventional layouts. The app makes it easy to correct anything on the spot, so your CRM stays accurate. And that's it. By installing the card scanner on your phone, you've set the groundwork for a smooth, time-saving flow from business cards into Zoho CRM. No more manual entry, fewer typos, and much faster follow-up. If you attend events, conferences, or meetings regularly, this simple setup can save hours every month and keep your pipeline moving with clean, actionable data. Thanks for watching. Now open your App Store, search Card Scanner, Business Cards, install, and start scanning your next stack of cards straight into your CRM.